All right, boys and girls, we are coming up on Tuesday, what's today? So May 26th. Now we skipped a few pages. The holidays kind of messed up all that order. But it's okay if we skip a few parts of the packet. But we should be on lesson 3, part 5. I also noticed that the pages are not the same. So I have on the homework agenda page 24 and 25. This is actually 34 and 35. Okay, just so you know. And we skipped a few pages. We did not go through all of these. Okay, so don't worry about that. We're just going to keep moving on. We only have 4 days of this left, and then the rest of the 4 days, I think that's up to your teachers what they plan on doing. But let's start on, where are we? Right here. So part 5, prepare for a test. A test question about sequence may ask you when certain things happen in a story. A test question about sequence may contain words such as first, second, last, before, and after. So obviously when you're reading a story about sequence, it would say, first of all, we did this, second, we did this, and last we did, or before we did this, and then after we went wherever, okay? So it's a sequence, it's showing you what you did throughout a story. So read the story about Ben and his father, then answer questions about the story. Choose the best answer for numbers 13 and 14. Okay. So Ben and Dad are making a cake. First, Dad turns on the oven. Next, Ben pours the cake mix into a bowl. Dad adds water and some eggs. Ben stirs everything together. Then Ben pours the batter into a cake pan. Last, Dad puts the pan into the oven. So because it's a story that talks about certain things that they did in order, we can find out what they did, the second thing that happened. So let's find out what the second thing is that happened. First, Dad turns on the oven. What's the second thing? Next, Ben pours the cake into a bowl. Ben pours the cake into a bowl. So that would be C. What does Dad do after Ben pours the batter into a cake pan? Let's see. Ben stirs everything together. Then Ben pours the batter into a cake pan. So what happens afterwards? Dad puts the pan into the oven. He puts the pan into the oven. B. So simple. So now you guys are going to read this one. I'll read it with you guys, and you guys should be able to answer just two multiple choice questions. Yesterday, my friend and I went to the store. We bought a kit for making a kite. Today, we made the kite. We were careful to follow all the directions. Tomorrow, we will go to the park. We will see if our kite flies. When did Nick and his friend make the kite? Okay, read the story again. What will Nick and his friend do tomorrow? Read the story. It literally says tomorrow in the story. And when did his friend and Nick make the kite? It tells you. It's such a short story. And there you go. There you have it. Wednesday, we will do this one. Well, I'm going to record this one for you guys. Okay. And that's it. Have a good one.